In today's video, I will show you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. For that, launch your Tonkeeper wallet and over here select the buy and sell option. Now, first thing that you need to do over here is to simply select your country. If it is not selected to your own country, then tap on the top left hand corner of the screen where you will be able to see your country. Then select your country, and after that it will show you all of the merchants that you can select as per your country in order to purchase Ton coin. Here you need to make sure that buy is selected, and after that you need to just select any of the providers. For this video, let's say I want to use the Challengely, so I'm going to tap on it, then select the buy Ton option. So what this will do is it will redirect you on the provider's website where you just have to simply provide some of the other details. Like first you need to enter the amount of Ton that you want to purchase, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of money that you need to pay. After that, tap on the exchange option and then it will redirect you on the next page where you just have to create your account on the provider's website. This is necessary and it works on all of the providers website, so you need to just create the account, and after that you just have to simply follow further instructions in order to purchase Tonkeeper wallet. Like you need to just make the payment with your credit card, debit card, or any other payment method that is available as per your country, and then you will receive your Ton in your Tonkeeper wallet. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.